If you're wondering how to create recurring task templates in Asana, you're in the right place. I'll show you how to set up those tasks that pop up again and again so you don't have to keep creating them manually. Stay tuned because I'll also share a little known hack that can save you a ton of time. And don't forget, you can try Asana for free by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses to make your setup even easier. So, let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is create a new task template. Open Asana, go to the Projects tab, and click on the project where you want to add recurring tasks. Once you're in, click Add Task and fill out all the details like name, description, and assignee. Next, you'll need to create a recurring due date. When setting up your task, click on the due date field and select the calendar icon. You'll then see an option for Set to Repeat. Here's where you can define how often the task should repeat, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can also customize it to repeat every few days or after a set number of weeks. The third thing to do is set your task as a template. In your task settings, you'll see a three-dot menu on the right. Click on it and choose Save as Template. This will save the task with its repeating settings, so you can reuse it for similar tasks in the future. Next, let's talk about how to manage recurring tasks in your template. If you ever need to adjust the frequency or change the details, just open the task template, make the necessary changes, and Asana will automatically apply those changes to all future recurring tasks. One key trick that can make a big difference is using project sections. Organize your recurring tasks into specific sections of your project. This keeps your tasks tidy and easy to track, especially when you have a lot of them repeating. Now, if you're working with a team, make sure that everyone is on the same page by using task assignments. Each task template you create can be assigned to different team members, so you don't need to manually assign tasks every time they recur. Finally, let's wrap up with a quick hack to save you even more time. Use the Duplicate Project feature if you want to create multiple recurring task templates at once for different projects. This allows you to quickly duplicate the task structure and modify it for different needs. Remember, if you want to try Asana for free and get access to exclusive bonuses, check out the first link in the description. And don't forget, once you start setting up these recurring tasks, your workflow will feel a whole lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing!